All right, people, we have AREC. I'm very pleased with AREC today. American Resources, and they're certainly on a down. That is for sure. They had AREC highs. They got up to 612. They didn't really do a crazy insane rise like you saw. What is our other ones? TMQ. So, anyways, what is our news today? Let's see here. All right, we have our Undersecretary of War, Emil Michael, and Office Strategic Capital has finalized another deal that will help secure the domestic production of magnets, essential technologies that support American warfighter. The deal supports Trump's plan to bolster a critical mineral. And then we have this here. This is a very nice one, people. $700 million with Vulcan Elements and ReElement Technologies fortifies the U.S. supply chain for the critical minerals. And this is going to be $700 million to increase neodymium, iron boron, magnet production, and significantly bolster U.S. critical supplies. The OSC commitment includes two separate loans, one to Vulcan, $620 million, and one to ReElement, $80 million. These loans will directly support the production of advanced rare earth element, processing capabilities enabled to OCs. Vulcan and ReElement anticipate collectively producing 10,000 tons of NdFeB. You know what else this is good at? Because Vulcan Element has the deal with CRML. Didn't do much for CRML, but that could definitely, in the long run, help because they're going to have their Greenland rare earths, the Greenland rare earth mine. So that could help CRML at some point. But for the most part, this is definitely good for AREC. And so Vulcan's going to be the North Carolina-based manufacturer specializing in sintered neodymium. And then ReElement, a subsidiary of American Resources, that's AREC, headquartered in Indiana, specializes in high-performance refining, separation, and purification. And the two companies here have long-standing collaboration, create a fully domestic, vertical, integrated supply chain. In 2024, signed the Memorandum of Understanding, including co-locating facility for efficiency in August, finalized multi-year agreement, where ReElement provides high purity rare earth oxides to Vulcan for magnet production. And then November, that was this one. So on November 3rd, wait a minute, they're just announcing this now, the 1.4 trillion joint partnership, including the 700 million conditional loans from the treaty detailed in the press release, aiming to scale 10,000 metric tons. I like it. Also, we have Terra Innovative Global NV. This one's going to be NKLR. They just had something too yesterday. Here we have their little news. A developer of micro-module nuclear reactors and innovation in an integrated technology enabling global AI infrastructure to support defense, signing a letter of intent to launch a 1 megawatt pilot program with strategic option to scale 100 MWE, supporting innovation's rapidly growing AI and data center infrastructure needs. So this is another exciting thing for them, another exciting development. Of course, they can definitely probably go lower. So I'm watching NKLR and trying to accumulate a nice stake in that one. And then we also have DVLT. DVLT's up crazy today, people. And when I looked at DVLT here, let me see here. This is also from yesterday. DVLT AI raised guidance 400%. Are you paying attention? A new multi-million agreement in the renewable energy sector to provide a clear blueprint for the company's future high-margin recurring revenue stream. Company's latest contract serves as tangible proof that management's decision to dramatically increase its multi-year revenue forecast was the right one. Stock climbed over 18 in a recent session. Catalyst was a tangible piece of news, a multi-million-dollar agreement with Triton Geothermal. This development provides a powerful validation of the company's aggressive pivot from legacy audio hardware business into high-growth artificial intelligence and data monetization enterprise. I guess we'll see. Wait a minute, this is talking about the new partnership offers investors a clear blueprint for how DataVault plans to generate significant multi-layered revenue from its core business of tokenizing real-world assets, RWA. This agreement moves the company's business model from a theoretical concept to a real-world application with a clear finance structure, showcasing its potential in the burgeoning RWA market. I guess we shall see, people. DVLT will serve as the exclusive technology provider for Triton, full-cycle renewable energy company, developing assets built on reservoir validated by the U.S. Department of Energy. The deal is structured to provide near-term and long-term income streams. The agreement includes up to $8 million in tokenization fees. These payments are tied to Triton's planned $125 million RWA offering, creating direct near-term project revenue base. I guess we'll see if DVL can pull this off. This monetization engine in action. I hope it can, but they're definitely pulling off something today. I don't know. Let's see. They have not dipping yet. And that was after their short report that was fucked them. And then they were sitting all the way at 361. So I don't know what kind of run that DVL will have, but they have definitely been known to run for multiple days. So I like DVL got in around the 40-cent range, 47-cent range, and I'm going to hold them. I think I'm going to hold them. I haven't sold out for the profit yet. I'm going to wait because they are doing well, and I think the guidance is going to hopefully continue to rise them. Of course, anything can happen, and they could plummet.